Hi guys! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you happen to be new here, it's me, Melanie. Welcome. And for today's video, it's my demo Thursday. So, I'm doing a demo and reviews of a specific product, which is the Aztec Secret. This is the #1 best-selling beauty product in Amazon. And I think #1 beauty products that every YouTuber made in YouTube. So I will show you 2 sessions of how I will do it. The first one, how I do it, the first attempt, and then the second one, how I think this is the right way how to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. What you need before we start is, if you have one like that, I will use the apple cider. The first attempt, I just use water, but in the direction it says it's better to use an apple cider vinegar. And then you need you need something that you will apply it. So this is what I have. And then non-metal. Make sure you use a bowl that is non-metal. That's what it says in this direction. And of course, just comb your hair and plastic spoon. And make sure you change, because it might drip on your body. So make sure you just change your shirt. So here, 1 scoop. This is the first attempt. Maybe I'll do 2 scoops. Cider. I'll mix it first, and I'll get 2 people. It says here, even out the portion. If you put 2 scoops of clay, make sure you put 2 scoops of apple cider vinegar, and just try to make it pasty. Look at the of the clay. I'll start it now. Application. Wow. Beauty is pain, they said, right? Or you apply it. Everything, I need to wait. I think I'll wait for 15 minutes only. Maybe that's good enough. I'll see you in 15 minutes. So I apply it. I think I had it for 3 minutes, but it's already tightening my skin, and I don't think I can wait until the 15 minutes, so I will just do 10 minutes. Ow. And it says there, after you wash it, it's gonna make your face red. So make sure you're ready for that. And wash it with warm water. See, it's already drying. You know what? 5 minutes. Having this mask, it's already drying. Look. It's drying out already. I don't think I need to wait for 10 minutes. I think I need to make sure that my face or this clay is already all dry, and I don't need to wait for 10 minutes. and I will be ready to wash it. Warm water, okay guys? Warm water, it says. Here, I already wash it. It's so hard to wash because it's thick. It's messy. So what I'm suggesting you to do, so this is the mix. So now I'm gonna do the right way that I think how you do it properly. So you don't have to put it all over your face if you don't have the pimple marks or a problem on your full face. So what I'm suggesting you to do is just get a cotton swab and then just go to the pimple marks that you have, and your nose. My nose has a lot of there's a lot of whiteheads, so this is my problem, always my problem. And yeah, just swab it. And then this here, I have a big problem here. There, and then, oh gee, there's more here. It's really hard to clean. Here, I have pimple marks here. One, but the whole thing, I don't think I can do that. Here, because it's too much. It feels like it's crumpling. If you see a paper, it's crumpling your face like that. I didn't like the feeling. But this one, I think it will work. And I will try the facial wash that it's suggesting here in the direction here. Yeah. Okay. I think that's it. And here I have pimple marks here. These are dried already because of this Aztec Clay. I will just wait maybe 7 minutes. So if you're using apple cider, you don't need to wait for 10 to 20 minutes. So for myself, it dried up already, so 7 minutes would be enough. I think for this one, 7 minutes, and then okay guys, I am done. I already washed it and my face is a bit red. And what I'm suggesting you to do is get a ice cube. Just put it on your face to make you feel relieved. Like my face.